So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mansi Pandey. In previous video we have already learned how to make outline of a girl. So in this video I will teach you how to do shade in this portrait and its background. So let's start the video, and you want to see this video, so the link in description, so please check out. First I will make the background outline, and then I will starting shading.
So close that we were forever inseparable. Never say never.
And the background outline is completed, so let's start shading. So
What is that you were doing? What is that you were feeling? Your faces that I've never seen. How can you hurt me? Time goes by, but you were still on my mind. Who said time will heal?
look at this, how to shade eye. So we have makeup brush in this, and then a shading pencil. I will use the outline one, and I don't know which one pencil is better, so I will use outline. And this is too much cheap, 60 rupees INR, and this is so we will use the brush, and then we have trying to doing shading. At this time I don't do some dark shading. I will do so lightly, and it's shining too much because my lighting is so weird. And look at this, how to shade. First we have to apply pencil and then a brush. And then we have to make details. Details is not too much harder, but it is looking too harder. When you make it so it's easy for you, then pencil color and painting color is harder, but shading is too much easy. This is how I do shading. So I will use a cotton and brush and pen and the shading pencil. So this is easy for you to do. Using these materials. So like this type of I will make details, and this is easy method. Like you will first fill them. And then here is the most harder part of a face, and this consumes 2 times, and you want full video on hair, so please comment. So it has too much details. This is too much hard details that I'm doing now. In this drawing have so details, and you want full hair video, so please comment. Now this is I'm doing background. This is her part of dress, and this is can't looking like dress, but that's really a dress. That's now I'm trying to doing shading her hairs, and this is the hardest part of. We have to apply little strokes as at the starting, and then we have to apply only strokes like these smooth strokes, not apply too much pressure and not too low. So like this, like I'm making this is how to make details in hair. That's why I'm saying the hair is the hardest part. Here is too much detail in hairs. After applying all strokes, I will apply shade. I will start to do shading in hairs. This is looking much good. And then now I'm applying brush. And now this is the background part, and this is easy, not too much hard, but it has too much detail, so it consumes times. I will make this drawing in 2 hours. This is not too time, but not too much time. I hope you like this tutorial video, and please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is a new YouTube channel.